Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with another show and tell video of new kit that is listed in my Etsy. And it comes together with, besides the kit, you also receive freebie pages, and the freebie pages will be available in my Facebook group, and we are going to do a challenge during the whole month of August playing with these papers. The kit name is Follow Your Heart. It's travel themed. It has 22 pages and the freebies have 7 pages, so you will receive a lot. Just going to show you the papers. It is collage papers, but I also try to put in some flowers and make it a little bit more kind of romantic, soft toned, not too grungy, but yeah, different things I try to put in, but also a lot of things that has to do with traveling or destination you can travel through. Like this paper, this sheet is quite romantic, and this is one of my favorite papers. I really like these people getting on board of the train and with the suitcases. Yeah, this is one of my favorite pages, and this one also a very romantic paper. And I thought about things you come across when you travel. You'll have tickets for trains or tickets for your flight, or you send postcards to people you love, or you have a journal and you put in text and you write down everything you want, or you have journal cards where you write down your adventures. So it's a very versatile kit. These are 6 tags and these are the backings, so you can, I think I even line them up. If you glue them together, you should be able to cut them out. But you can also use these as single, as different tags, so you have 12 instead of 6. Then also included other types of pockets, because if you are making some sort of journal folio, a travel folio, these come in handy to put in your postcards that you buy on your way when you're traveling. Then there's a sheet with travel related, not all travel related because this is not travel related, but yeah, obviously travel with family of someone you love, you meet new friends or new people, so it's all related when you travel. And here you have a sheet with travel notes, and this is a travel poem. It's not mine. I wrote. I also included who wrote it. So this is included. Then you have these in a smaller version, and also the little words in a smaller version. And instead of circles, I have squares. Then you can use as an embellishment on your paper or on your card or tags. And then you have these tags. You can layer these, but you can also use them as separate tags, of course. And then you have the, how do you call these? The things you want to view in different countries. City highlights, I think they are called. This is Holland, by the way, the Netherlands. So I have these. Then I have included a large envelope and some cuties to play with. The envelope also comes in a smaller version. Also the city highlights come in a smaller version. Then I have these included and these, and I will show you how these work. If you have a paper, like so, this is not a coffee stain paper, this is an antique. I bought this at Amazon. It has this print on it, but I really liked it. Then you have the postcard and you have the side pocket, and these are layered. And I thought, how fun it is when you put this in your journal. So I have this one layered and this flower on it, but you can also put a little stamp or this on it, and you can also switch out these. So put these on this one. You can do whatever you want, and I have 4, but you can also use 2 or 3. So, and I also have one that goes to the other direction. So these are included, and I do like this. So, and this is the kit, and then you also have the freebies, and the freebies has 7 pages, and these are available in the Facebook group. And there are 2 journal pages. This is one of them. It goes very well with the original kit. I spent hours on these to make them fit the kit, and this is one of the pages. But you can also make a masterboard using all the pages. That's something you can do too. Then these are included, and these are journaling cards you can write on, some labels, little bits and pieces. Then you have note cards to put in your journal and write what you have done. A little pocket is included over here. I have included 2 postcards, some washi and a film strip, again Holland. And I also included these 2 in a smaller version. These are the larger pages, but I shrunk them down to fit on one page, so you can use them as a pocket or as a large journaling card, or turn it into a postcard, because if you cut this in this side, you have a postcard. So these are also included when you buy the kit. In the Facebook group, we are going to do an event together. It's called an event, but it's a challenge, but you will find it in the event section, and it will be during the whole month of August, and we are going to make something that is travel related in the, I don't know how to say it. You don't have to be somebody that actually is traveling to make a travel journal, because you can travel in your own city, you can travel in your own garden. It is creating something fun with the papers. Like maybe you can create a journal or a journal folio or an envelope journal, or you just make single pages for every day, and at the end you turn it into a journal. But the point is to highlight, or try to highlight, a few times. It doesn't have to be every day, of course, otherwise you will be busy all day. That's not what I want you to do. But highlight something in your area where you live, and it might be in your own garden, what you think of, well, if I was visiting my garden or my hometown, I would want to see this because this is beautiful. Maybe you can write a little bit about it, but also you can show pictures. And I hope I explain it the right way, but what I want to do is show people, besides the things you can make and inspire others with your crafts, also take people on a journey, travel to where you live without actually traveling, because a lot of people are not going on a holiday, or already went, or still not going, or will never go on a holiday. But we can show places to each other we have never been to by including them in our projects. And that's what I wanted to do. I thought, well, a lot of people are not going on a holiday. They are alone, or live far away from family, and they can't go visit them very often. But it is fun to show your area with others. I have been to Reims in France in April this year, and I just took a few pictures and made some videos, and I made a short clip. Even when I drove from one city to this city, I showed you, I put it on my Facebook group, in the Facebook group, and people were so much enjoying seeing the scenery, and I'm thinking, yeah, but I want to see your scenery too. So yeah, that's what I want. Show where you live, show what is beautiful in your area, or even in your own garden, like I said, or in your own street, or in your own maybe you have a park nearby that is beautiful with a beautiful tree or beautiful flowers. If you are able to take a picture and print them and incorporate them in your projects, please do. We want to see. I will make an event for this, and it will run throughout the whole month of August. Okay, what are we going to do? Like I said, you are going to make something travel related. It can be a journal, it can be a page, it can be just a tag. It doesn't matter. Maybe at the end you will have enough ephemera to fill a whole journal, and that would be awesome. But you have to highlight something in your area, in your garden, in the park where you always walk, or the flowers you see when you go out the door, and just show. It can be buildings, it can be anything. It can be anything that you like. For instance, if I came to your house and I was visiting you, when you took me out, where would you take me to and show me, look, Nathalie, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. That's what I want to show you. That's what I want you to show me or the members to the group. So take a picture and incorporate it in your artwork, in your project. And like I said, it's the challenge. It will run throughout the whole month of August. I will make the event. I'm not sure if I will do it tonight because it's very late already and I have to go to bed. But if you work with the freebies, every time you post a picture with the freebies, not the same picture, but every separate thing you post in the group or in the event with the freebie is one entry. If you incorporate the kit in your making, the post or picture that you put in the event or in the group is 2 entries. So your name will be in the drawing 2 times. And it will be a large giveaway because at the end of August, maybe it will be September, I'm not sure because I have to count all the entries. I will do a giveaway, so everybody's names will be in the wheel, and I will be giving away 3 digital kits for the winner. So, and of course you have to use a hashtag. I'm sorry, but you do have to use a hashtag, and the hashtag is LDA Travel Challenge. LDA Travel Challenge. Nothing special, but that's what we are going to use. And well, maybe some of the admins will also join in and create stuff for you to see what you can do. But the main thing is inspire each other and take each other on a trip. Show them your area, show them your beautiful things, sightseeing where you live. And if you don't go outside very much, you can also find things like you've seen on the internet. You know that's in your area, but you can describe it. And it doesn't have to be a whole sheet. It can be a short thing. As long as we know where to look. Maybe you can write down something that is in your area, but you don't have a picture. But we can search on the internet how it looks. So we have seen it. That's what I want everybody to do. Okay, I will stop talking now. Because I also have to edit this video and upload the kit in my Etsy. So these will be available in my Facebook group. This will be available in my Etsy. I will leave also a discount code in the Facebook group for the members to purchase this one. So you can all join in. You don't have to buy it. You can also just use the freebies. And about the freebies, I do love making these. But it costs me a lot of time. Which I do myself, so I only blame myself because I do want everybody to be happy in the group. But I never do this, but I'm going to do it now. I have buy me a coffee paper, buy me a coffee page, and it would be nice if somebody would buy me a coffee because yeah, it's not only time consuming, but it can be very expensive making all the freebies, printing out everything. And because all the time that I'm doing this, I can't make a journal. And I'm not begging for money, but if you like the freebies and you want to do something in return, please think about it, and maybe you want to buy me a coffee. So the link is down below, and if you do, I would really appreciate it. And yeah, this is it. I hope you like the kit, and I hope you all will join in. And I hope to see you in the Facebook group with all your makings. I'm going to make something too, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do. My mind is all over the place, and I wanted to start this evening, but I don't have the time. So you will see in the next video what I'm going to create. Yeah, this is it. Like the video, leave a comment. If you're not subscribed, maybe you want to subscribe to my channel. Visit the Buy Me a Coffee page. Maybe you want to buy me a coffee. And I hope to see you next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.